Texas abortion ban creator takes aim at marriage equality in a new legal brief playbook. Jonathan Mitchell is the lawyer who crafted the 2021 Texas abortion ban that the Supreme Court let stand. As Justice Scalia's former clerk, Mitchell has not only a long history of conservatism, but also a very close working relationship and knowledge of the members of the Supreme Court. After the recent success against Roe v. Wade in Texas, he is now looking to help overturn the Lawrence v. Texas ruling that invalidated antisodomy laws, as well as Obergefell versus Hodges, which legalized gay marriage. Justices Thomas and Alilto have said they would like to see Obergefell overturned, and Justice Amy Coney Barrett has also been critical of it.
Jonathan Mitchell is an enemy. He's an enemy of the LGBTQ plus community, and we all have to keep our eyes on him, okay? I mean, you know, my wife drives me freaking insane, but I want to stay married, and I don't want her to affect that. I don't want this guy and his crazy ideas to affect that marriage, you know?
It just, I mean, I'm just constantly amazed by the party that's allegedly of small government and how big government is when they're in your bedroom and in your body.
Vagina.
It's just, it just baffles my mind.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, less government. Meanwhile, you're telling us what to do with our bodies.
Yeah.
I mean, it doesn't make any sense. It's like a contradiction. You know, and really, I mean, think about it. Like the women, now personally, I don't know if I was a cisgendered woman that could have children, if I would personally have an abortion, but I believe in choice. Yeah. You know, and so now he's dealing with our community and targeting us. And so, oh my God, what's next?
Well, I think it just goes to show that these people don't have any fresh ideas, so they're just recycling discredited, terrible things, you know, from 20 years ago, or God, sadly, only as recently as 10 or 15 years ago. They just don't have anything new to bring to the table, so they just try and rile up old wounds.
And I have a friend that tells me that, the Republicans are very supportive of the LGBTQ community, but listen, actions, I want to see action, you know?
Jonathan, to your point, a couple thoughts. First, to your point, regurgitating old ideas works. Let's go back to 2003. The Republicans and George Bush in that campaign made gay rights a central focus feature, and it was just enough to get him over the top, and he won re-election because of it. That's what we're watching now. Second, Jonathan Mitchell is not the crazy governor of Alaska that ran as vice president, is not crazy Laura Ingraham. This guy is smart as a whip. And when, like it or not, as much as we hate what he has done in Texas, he exhibited almost genius in the way he implemented that new law. And now he's taking aim at even the possibility of anti-sodomy laws in Texas and the complete repeal of gay marriage. He is dangerous. Faye gets it right off the bat. We have seen our enemy, and we better not dismiss our enemy out of hand.
Amen to that.
LGBTQ plus news is vital for our community and for the broader world as a whole. We have enough enemies at Fox News. Tucker, Sean, and Lara are loud. We need passionate allies. Happening Out Television Network, Queer News Tonight, and It's Happening Out are literally out of the closet and into the headlines. Our community needs your support. Like this broadcast and subscribe now to ensure the growth of the entire LGBTQ plus community.